What if I told you that artificial intelligence could take over your job one day? AI is growing fast. It's already writing texts, making art, driving cars, and even helping doctors. Some people love it. They say AI will make life easier and solve big problems. Others are scared. They think machines might replace humans, leaving many without work. But here's the truth. AI is just a tool. It learns from data, and it needs people to guide it. The real question is, will we use AI to help us, or let it control us? In the future, many jobs will change. New jobs will appear too. So it's not about fear. It's about learning and adapting. One thing is clear. AI is not going away. Are you ready for this future? Or will you be left behind? Tell me in the comments, do you think AI will replace us or help us?